Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux Alissa. First, let's create the flavorful broth. Begin by blanching 2 pounds of beef bones and 2 pounds of beef shank or brisket to remove impurities. Then, combine these with 1 large sliced ginger, 1 halved yellow onion, 13 cups of water, 2 golf ball-sized rock sugars, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Pressure cook this mixture for 45 minutes, then carefully strain the broth, discarding the solids. Next, we'll infuse our broth with essential aromatics and perfect the seasoning. Use about 1½ ounces of faux spices, typically containing star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cardamom. Place these in a spice bag and add them to the Instant Pot with your other broth ingredients. After straining, season the hot broth to your preference with 1½ to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon for a balanced taste. Now, let's get our noodles and meats ready for assembly. For the noodles, take a handful of fresh faux noodles and quickly dunk them into boiling water for about 15 to 30 seconds. This ensures they are perfectly tender. For the meats, thinly slice the beef shank that cooked in your broth after it has cooled completely. You can also add thinly sliced raw eye-round beef and pre-cooked beef balls for a delightful texture. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious bowl of faux. Start by placing the freshly cooked faux noodles into a deep serving bowl. Artfully arrange your thinly sliced meats and beef balls on top of the noodles. Then, generously add fresh toppings such as chopped scallions, cilantro, and thinly sliced onions. Complete your masterpiece with bean sprouts, basil, a squeeze of lime, and a drizzle of hoisin and sriracha, plus some jalapenos for a kick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.